Hi guys! So, ang video natin for today is medyo different than the other videos I've had. So, now, wala ako sa video kasi ako lang mag-isa. Hawak ko yung ring light and at the same time, hawak ko yung phone and at the same time, I'm showing you these packages that I bought from Shopee. So, this is a special package that I bought from Shopee kasi it's an upgrade for my makeup artistry and later on, you will find out what are these. So, I'm just opening this kasi kaka-receive ko lang to nung araw na film ko to. So, the first items I'm gonna show you are the airbrush foundations from Opulent. So, meron silang 4 shades. Pero, meron silang bagong release na shade which is number 2 because their first 4 shades were just 1, 3, 4, and 5. So, no, meron na silang number 2 na shade. And ito yung mga foundations. But then, hindi naka-indicate yung mga shade numbers niya sa bottle. So, hindi ko alam kung ano-ano mga shade to. But they have light foundation to lightest and most of them were yellow undertones. I received a damaged bottle that spills and they were kind enough to replace it with another one but I haven't received it yet, but thank you so much for that. And also included na rin sa package nila itong airbrush thinner. I guess 30 ml yung airbrush thinner nila and then yung mga foundations nila is 15 ml. So there. Okay, so sa kanilang foundation bottle naka-indicate ang brand of course and kung ano siyang klaseng airbrush foundation siya, which is SB means silicone based and WB which means water based, and naka-indicate din doon kung ilang ml, and on the other side nakalagay kung ilang months siya magtatagal and yung iba pang mga details, and on the other side is yung ingredients niya and yung manufacturing and expiration date. So, same with the bottle ng kanilang airbrush thinner and cleaner. Nakalagay kung anong klase siyang fluid and naka-indicate din doon na kailangan siyang i-shake ng mabuti. And on the other side, which is hindi ko siya mabasa. So, may mga details din on the other side. And on the other side, wala namang nakalagay. So, this is 30 ml. And here, I'm so thankful that they gave me a freebie of an airbrush blush. So, same with the foundation bottle, kung ano yung indication niya. But then, hindi naka-indicate kung blush siya or foundation. So, freebie ito. Thank you so much, Miss Gracie, for this freebie. And I also bought an eyelash adhesive. Kasi, ang dami kong nabasa na good reviews about their glue. They have actually 3 types of their glue. Merong clear, merong white, and meron ding black. So, let's see if it's good or worth it. So, yun, may mga ingredients list din and kung ilang months lang siya maglalast upon opening, nakalagay sa likod ng bottle. And I love the packaging, by the way. Okay, so now let's proceed na sa pinaka-star of this package. So, medyo may damage yung box, but what's important is the inside. So, upon opening, you will see yung mga laman niya. So, ayan, may nakabalot na parang styrofoam, very thin. And on this box, ang laman niya is yung adapter. And here is yung airbrush hose. It's made from rubber. I'm not sure, but rubber yung feeling niya. And on this box is yung pinaka-airbrush gun niya. So, upon opening, may inclusion siya na airbrush gun, of course, and yung tool na pang-open if you're going to disassemble this, and yung dropper. And at the back, makikita nyo naman na may mga letters sa back. So, ayun yung parang manual nung pinaka-airbrush gun. And also, may included din na manual para dun sa pinaka airbrush machine natin. So, kapag bibili kayo nito, please carefully read this manual. And now, the exciting part of this package is yung pinaka airbrush machine. So, as you can see, covered siya ng parang super thin lang na styrofoam. But then, nasira pa din yung box because of the nozzle. And yun. Ito yung itsura niya. Medyo maliit lang din siya. Akala ko malaki yung kanyang airbrush machine. So, as you can see, andi dito yung nozzle sa harap and then yung pihitan ng lakas ng pressure. And here, sa ilalim naman ng airbrush machine is yung mga details, mga technical details ng pinaka-airbrush machine. So, read that carefully if you're going to buy this. So, ito yung mga inclusions ng airbrush machine. Okay, now, so we'll be trying to operate this machine. So, now I'm showing you the airbrush hose and then ikakabit natin siya doon sa pinaka-nozzle ng airbrush machine. So, since this is rubber, fitted siya doon sa nozzle. But be careful kasi wag nyo siya masyadong ipipihit doon kasi mahirap siyang tanggalin at the end of using it. So, wag nyong gagayahin yung ginawa ko dito kasi after kong i-disassemble lahat to, nahirapan akong tanggalin siya. So, now yung other end ng airbrush hose is ilalagay naman natin sa pinaka-airbrush gun. So, yung nasa bottom na nozzle ng airbrush gun, doon nyo siya ilalagay. Here. So, same, wag nyo siyang isiksik ng maigi kasi mahirapan kayong matanggal. Baka kasi mag-cause yun ng pagkasira ng rubber or ng airbrush hose. Ang next natin is yung adapter. So, ito yung isasaksak natin para magka-power. And, so as you can see, may mga details din dun sa pinaka adapter, so read that carefully as well. And on its side then may nakalagay din na parang warning or caution to use it carefully. It might get you electrocuted. So now isasaksak natin yung kabilang dulo sa power source and yung kabilang dulo doon sa pinaka airbrush machine. So, yan. Nasa ilalim po ng airbrush machine yung pinakasaksakan. So, doon nyo siya isasalpak. There. And yung kabilang side, of course, isasaksak natin sa power source para gumana siya. So, ito yung power button niya. Once you press this, it will turn into blue color, which means nag-ooperate na siya. Okay, so guys, sinadya ko talaga magkaroon ng sound yung previous clip so that marinig nyo yung pinakatunog ng machine niya and ng air. So now I'm showing you the airbrush gun rest. I think yun ang tawag sa kanya. I'm not sure. So kasama rin yung sa package. So if ever man na hindi nyo na ginagamit yung airbrush gun, pwede nyo siyang ilagay dyan and ayun, mas madali siyang i-access and also mas safe siya, hindi siya mabilis masira. So here's the Opulent Airbrush makeup kit. And thank you so much for Miss Gracie for the freebie of blush po. Thank you so much. And guys, alam niyo na ang gagawin. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, press that bell button next to it so that updated kayo sa lahat ng mga videos. Thank you so much guys. See you on my next one. Bye-bye!